Are you getting close to retirement and quietly wondering if your income will really support the lifestyle you've worked so hard for? And have you started asking yourself if there's another way to live well without constantly worrying about money? You may be looking at rising rent, higher healthcare costs, and everyday expenses that keep climbing while your retirement income stays the same. You want freedom, comfort, and security, but the numbers just don't seem to add up anymore. If you don't explore alternatives now, you could end up downsizing more than you want, delaying retirement, or feeling trapped by financial stress during years that were supposed to be your most enjoyable. That uncertainty can turn retirement into something you fear instead of something you look forward to. So, You Want to Become an Expat shows you how retirees are living abroad in 2025 and in years to come with a lower cost of living, affordable health care, and a higher quality of life, without gimmicks or unrealistic promises. The link is below this video, and you can download it for free with your Kindle Unlimited account, or grab it using your regular Amazon account today.